Ranjani and I study in Sri Ravishankar Vidyamandir, Bangalore South. We had a very closer look on what happens in solar panels.
We learned about solar energy and how it is an easier and much better source of energy to our homes as it doesn't cause pollution and it is a very reasonable electricity source.
I like this workshop too much because as my father is an electrician, I knew how to connect socket and switches, but I never tried alone. This is the time when I tried alone and it was success. That's why I'm too happy to do.
I love this workshop. It was really nice. I got to learn a lot of new things.
With that we also learned formulas and everything. And overall it was very fun.
I love this workshop because we did many practicals. Due to the practicals, I understood electricity or solar panels and also learned safety of electricity. This experiment was so nice. Then we did lots of experiments. So it was very interesting.
And how we can fix simple circuits at home.
It was very fun.